Hey guys, I'm gonna make a video showing you guys my house, my animals, my pets, and all of that. My friends, everyone that lives, everyone that's here. In my room, we start off with my friend Darian and my brother Chase. I have none of my animals in there, so not yet. Bella. In this room is my brother Jay. I don't really want to show him because he has it. I'm making a YouTube video showing my family. Say hi.
This is Jay. He likes to play Minecraft.
Well, not that much. Well, bye, Jay. And we go on. See if any cats are in here. Here, Kiki. Here, Kiki. No cats yet. I'm gonna go dance. Hey, Tony, say hi. This is Tony, our cat. And, this is Sully. He's a boy. He's really nice, soft. Tony's a girl. She likes to be like a dog. We have one more cat. My mom, my dad are at work, so... Bella! That white cat you guys saw earlier was Bella. I'm trying to find her again. Wonder if that side cat's here. No. That side. Well, Bella has a little secret. She's pregnant. She got pregnant a little while ago. Darian! Oh, never mind. I found Bella. This is Bella. Bella, you camera shy? Meow. Hey. This is Bella. She's a white cat. She's a girl. She's been pregnant for a couple days now. She got pregnant with the outside cat. But she is dating Sully, the gray one. We have one more cat, but his name's Sebastian. Okay, Bella. Good luck on your pregnancy. I have no clue how many kittens she'll have. Well, there's one person I forgot to show you.